So this is the double-headed shaft lathe at Cockatoo Island. Its job was predominantly making propeller shafts for ships. It's 30 metres long, or 100 foot. It's the longest lathe in the Southern Hemisphere. Sadly, it's not operational. It was originally DC, and as I said, it's not operational. This is the oil injection system. Individual injectors would oil individual bearings. So it's a Thomas Shanks, built in England and shipped out to Australia. And as I said, it's a double-headed lathe. So essentially this would true up a shaft, but it would also, you'd be able to drill the center of the shaft, obviously to make it lighter for use in the ship.